Well, hello there, YouTube. This is Baba Beck. And today I'm going to talk about the three most important things that you should know about YouTube. Number one, 99% of all channels started on YouTube will fail to get to even 1,000 subscribers. Facts.
Welcome, friends, to Baba Beck website, a YouTuber, millionaire, with 17,000 subscribers, 1.7 million views, and thousands of likes. Let me ask you, do you like rare Lincoln cents? Worth a lot of money? Treasure hunting penny rolls from the bank at home? Do you like 80s pop rock bands? Do you love God in your life, spirituality, miracles? Do you like original comedy? Do you like to read books? Sci-fi novels, thrillers, books that should be made into movies? If you said yes to any one of these questions, please click the link below and kindly share, like, and subscribe to Baba Beck YouTube channel. God bless America.
Number two, if your channel has a viral video and your channel is not monetized according to YouTube, YouTube will not pay you a penny. It has happened before. What is monetization on YouTube? You must have at least 4,000 watch hours in a year, in 1 year, annual watch hours, 4,000 hours, and at least 1,000 subscribers. Facts. Number three, YouTube is the greatest social media platform in the world with a lot of free support and high-tech knowledge at your fingertips. They give you all this for free. Go be a star. But yet realize it is the hardest platform in the world to make money on. Facts. This is Baba Beck saying thank you for watching my videos. I'm a Lincoln Cent treasure hunter, man of God, science fiction writer, a one-man band with 17 high-definition music videos that I sang and played, all instruments, all original on my playlist. Thank you for sharing and liking and subscribing to my channel. God bless America.